All right, guys, just for the heck of it, let's cram this big 3S battery, if I can get it in here, and see what it will do. I loosen this up a little bit. I don't know if we can get it in there or not, guys. Might not loosen that enough. Oh, just enough room. There we go. She's in there. Woo! I'm gonna put my little wire in here. We'll try this at home. I haven't soldered up an end for this yet. But I can feel the motor's getting warm. So we're gonna turn the fan on. No, maybe we won't. Doesn't sound like that fan likes 3S. I don't want to burn it up. We're gonna shut that fan off. Leave it off, I guess. The battery shouldn't fall out. Running Velcro in the back, guys, for the back of the cover and pins in the front. Working good so far. Did I ever shut that off? No, I didn't. All right. Probably gonna flip right over, guys. Turn the GPS on. Try to get some close shot. Here we go, guys. Oh my God, it's nuts on 3S. Wow, we were spinning the whole way. I don't think I ever hooked up. Holy God, guys, that thing was moving. So we'll stop. Read. 29 miles an hour. Are you kidding? 1 more mile an hour than 2S? Yeah, but we weren't hooking up, guys. We were spinning the whole time. So we're gonna be a lot faster on 3S than 1 mile an hour. Unless we've reached the limit of the gearing. If that's the case, then it won't go any faster no matter how much power you put to it. If that's the case, we're gonna have to change the gearing again. All right, guys, let's try it again. Oh, she's over. Yeah, wow, it's just spinning the whole time. Whew. We'll check it and see how fast we just flipped her on 3S. We'll stop. Read. That was a 23 mile an hour flip, guys. Wow, let's try that again. That was radical. If we can get it to stop spinning and hook up, we might have something here. I think what we're doing now is we're flipping back on this wheelie bar pretty hard, and that's helping send us by hitting this wheelie bar. And if I notice, we actually have bent the wheelie bar sideways. That's a little closer, but tweak the wheelie bar on that roll. So we're gonna stage the tires this time. Get speed into them. Shove down. Gonna stop the GPS. And we're gonna try it again, guys. Oh, beautiful launch. See, I gotta let off. It's going so fast, I gotta let off so early, guys. Way earlier than the 2S, because I don't want to shoot off up into that road up there. Wow, that was a beautiful hook and go. That lifted the wheels. I believe, it looked to me like it lifted the wheels and that took off straight. My fan wire's dragging, but that's okay. Wow, that took off like a rocket. So we'll stop it. Read it. 34 miles an hour, guys. Like I said, that hooked up and that moved. 34. And that'll be even better than that because we still had a lot of spin. So that's not bad, guys, for 3S on a cheap silver can brush motor. 34 miles an hour so far. Wow, nuts. Let's bring it up to the top of the road, guys, and see if we can get a few hits up there and see if we can do anything better with it. Yeah, pick them wheels. That wheelie bar is doing its job. Oh, right in the dirt. That's not even want to go in there. Get that dirt all over them tires. The other day, guys, I'm just going to line up over here and we're going to shoot up the edge of the road right here. Do a little test hit real quick. Whoa, a little loose on that sand right there. Thing's moving on the flat ground, guys. We have so much traffic right here. We get a break for a second. I'm going to give it a true hit. Oh, we lost power. Did I cook the ESC, guys? I might have just cooked this cheap all-in-one ESC. Under 3S. They don't like 3S long. I said that when I first started building this. Oh yeah, that ESC is roasting, guys. On fire. Motor is hot too. I'd say she went into a thermal cut down. We still have steering. So once she cools down, yeah, the red light's blinking in here, guys. She's hot. I don't know if you can see that little red light in there flashing. She's hot. That's 3S though, guys. So that's gonna end the run of the drag bug today. Stay tuned. We got way more coming up. Later.